Working stopwatch. Set the chalk blocks. Open and close the door. Enter and exit the vehicle. Insert the key. Remove the key. Pay attention right here. When I turn the battery on, the ABS lights will turn on and off. Batteries on, ABS lights on, off. Start the engine. We're at 118 PSI. You can toggle it on and off. We can select which gauge we like. We can release the parking brakes. Up here is the trolley brake or the trailer service brake. Looks like the governor has kicked in. We can fuel the air tanks. Full pressure at 121 PSI. Low air alarm. Emergency spring brakes. Oil pressure, RPMs, mile per hour gauges. We also have a gauge game. Enter the first reading, 102. Now enter the second reading, 102 again. And the difference would be 0. Submit. We can try that again. So difference between the two would be 9.